Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Jax from Amazing Digital Circus. Let's start with head first. Draw an ellipse. Draw a vertical line to split into two parts. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw neck. Draw a rectangle for the body. Draw dress. Draw basic shape for the leg. Draw pant. Draw paws. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.